Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we will be solving the problem in example 2.3. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous problems, exercise problems and example problems with solutions. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. It would be helpful for you. Now we can see the question. Before that, for the problem in exercise 2.1, second problem. For second problem in exercise 2.1, just refer example 2.1. Both are same kind of problem, so that you can refer example 2.1 so that you can solve this problem easily. Okay. Now we can see the question in example 2.3. Here the question is, show that the square of an odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 for some integer q. Read the question carefully. Show that the square of an odd integer. What is odd integer? Odd integer is 1, 3, 5, 7 and goes on. But they didn't mention whether it is positive or negative, right? So I have to include negative numbers also. So -1, -3, -5 and it goes on. These are all odd integers. Okay. The square value of this odd integer is the form of 4q plus 1. You need to show. Okay. Here what we have to remember is we should create the formula for generating odd integers. The formula for creating odd integer. That is, we can take x equals 2k plus 1. Okay. You can take any letters instead of x and k. Okay. I am taking x and k here. X means odd number, the answer. Okay, this is the formula for creating odd number. Okay, generating odd number. So here k is nothing but k represents any integer. Okay, we can include any positive integer or negative integer, negative number or positive number or 0, whatever. No matter what value we are choosing for k, we'll be getting the answer is odd number. Okay, this is the general formula. So I'm taking k equal to 0 here. Okay, 0. If I'm applying 0, 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. The answer is odd number, right? And I'm going to apply k equal to 1. So here I am applying k equal to 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So this also odd number. Okay. In this formula, whatever number I am choosing for k, I'll be getting the value. The answer is odd number. Okay. I'll be getting the answer is odd number. So we can take this is the general formula for creating odd number. You should remember this formula, and after that I should take the square value, right? If I'm taking square value on both sides, we'll be getting x square plus this, the whole square. Okay. And after solving that, the value of that particular thing will be in the form of 4q plus 1. This is the question. Now we can see the solution. Here I have written the questions shortly. Like, we need to show the square value of odd integer should be in the form of 4q plus 1. Okay. And for the solution, we have to write the formula first. Okay. For generating odd number, odd integer. That is x equals 2k. X equals 2k plus 1. Okay. No matter what number we are putting for k, we'll be getting the answer as odd integer. Okay. Now I should take the square value. So I am going to find out the square value of on both sides. X squared equals 2k plus 1 the whole square. Here this 2k plus 1 in the form of a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square formula, a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, here what is a? 2k, right? Then 2k square plus b square 1 square plus 2 into ab, 2 into 2 into 2k into 1. So I am getting 2 square, 4 square plus 1 plus 2 into 2k, 4k. Okay, so the answer is x square 4k square plus 4k plus 1. Here in the question what is given, the answer should be in the form of this, right? So I have gotten this 1 here and 4 also I have gotten. Okay, so I'm going to take 4. This is common in both, so I'm going to take 4 outside. If I am taking 4 outside, what would be inside? What would be the value? K square plus k plus 1. Somehow we have gotten the same format what is given in the question, 4q plus 1. Here it got 4 here and also 1 here, q. Here q value is k square plus 1, k square plus k. Q value is k square plus k, that is some integer. Some integer also mentioned in the question. Okay, k is some integer. Hence, how we can write the answer? Hence, it is proved that the square value of odd integer is in the form of 4q plus 1. Okay. The answer should be in the form of 4q plus 1. That is the question. This is very simple. We should remember the formula for creating odd number. First, read the question carefully and understand the question first. And what is given in the question, what had been asked in the question, what we need to show. This thing you have to read carefully. Then you can solve the problems easily. So in this case you should remember the formula for generating odd integers, that is x is equal to 2k plus 1. Okay, if you remember this formula you can find out what had been asked in the question. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.